Got new stuff. Let's check it out. This is a USB 3.0 card reader. TF SD USB 3 Type C. Now I got that for this, which is the 400. This is a 400 gig SD card, which I don't have that to open it. I'll do right there for right now. Check this one out. This is the second thing I got it for. Classic converter, cassette converter. Automatic automatically partition songs, convert cassettes into MP3 and directly saves into flash drive. Instantly plays the recorded music. Use as a Walkman, play cassettes, tape music anywhere. Use as a music player, play music in the flash drive with auto reverse functions, 3.5 earphones jack, cassette converter earphones, power cable for DC 5 voltage and manual. Okay, let's check this out. Which is more likely I'm going to be using this because the batteries will die if you're going to convert stuff. All in Chinese, I guess. Some English. It has that classic look. It's gonna connect here. Power, volume. The cassette. The DR. The reverse, FF. The rewind and the stop. Cassette to convert. Volume, record, next mode, previous, play and pause, volume. So just to get this, that's why I ordered these things. Oh, never mind. I can't open it. A laser zon. I'm sorry if I said that wrong. 400 gig. Basically, I'm gonna put this in here. Put this. In here to record some cassettes, some classic stuff that I have in the house. I don't know if I'm gonna make a video out of that, but because I don't really want to show you what I'm gonna record, but yeah, this house basically all the stuff I got for it. Oh yeah. Here's the plug, Then it'll be connected there. But this is how I'm gonna record more likely than with batteries. I'm not gonna use the batteries at all. If you want to see part 2, I'll probably see what I could do to make an example video out of it. Peace out.